since you brought up the women, I know when it comes to you and In.Digg.Nation Collection, that's what is it? It's you, Lila, Sevana, and then just recently added Jazalise. All right. What was it that you seen in Lila when you first seen her, and Sevana when you first seen them to say, you know what, there's something about you?
Well, I mean, if you've ever seen Lila or anything, that should be an immediate answer. Just her presence alone is this ball of fire, this magnificent blaze, and there's no way to look at it, like see it, hear the sounds, hear the vibes, feel the energy, and not be like immediately like engulfed in her entire presence. And then Sevana too, she when I heard her sing the first time, like my body had a physical reaction, you know, like the hair in the back of my neck was like, you know, and like I got goosebumps and everything. So I was like both of them were like life-changing days for me. I was like, what am I hearing and seeing here? And for both of them, they just have every aspect of what you need to have as an artist. Like they have all areas, you understand? So those are just two no-brainers.
For sure. And at that time when you had first met them, were you actually looking for artists, or that just made sense and that was just the right thing to do to actually put it together?
I always had the intention of having an artist, but I wasn't ready. Meaning as a label, I wasn't ready when Sevana came on scene, but I had to get ready, you know, like Sevana is almost, you would say, she's the catalyst that started me taking it seriously, because I was like, I have to get serious for it, like, and do this in a way if I'm gonna work with Sevana, and that kind of start me building my label, you know.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.